In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Apple Wallet ID and add your driver's license to your iPhone. This process can be done in just a few minutes if you follow along carefully, so let's get started. First things first, you'll want to ensure that this feature is available in your region. Apple Wallet ID is currently available in a select number of states and countries, so it's important to check if your state or country supports digital IDs before proceeding. As of 2024, many states across the US and some international locations have enabled this functionality, so make sure to verify this in advance. Next, it's crucial that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. To do this, head over to your settings, navigate to General, and select Software Update. Your iPhone needs to be updated to iOS 16 or later for this feature to work smoothly. If your device isn't updated, you might face compatibility issues, so go ahead and update it if necessary. Once your iPhone is up to speed, it's time to open the Wallet app. You'll find the app right on your home screen. Simply tap to open it. From here, you need to add your driver's license or state ID to Apple Wallet. Look for the plus sign located at the top right corner of the app's interface and tap on it. After you tap that plus sign, a list of options will appear. You want to select the option that says driver's license or state ID. Once you've done that, follow the prompts to choose your state or country from the list provided. Remember, it must be one of those that support this digital ID feature. Next comes the scanning of your physical ID. This step requires a steady hand and well-lit conditions, so be patient as you follow the on-screen instructions to scan your ID card. This part of the process often uses advanced technologies like Face ID or Touch ID to ensure it's really you adding the ID. Simply let your device guide you through the steps, which will include verifying your identity. As part of this verification, you might be asked to take a quick selfie. This additional step is for security purposes, ensuring that the person setting up the digital ID really is you. Follow each prompt carefully to make sure that everything goes through without a hitch. Once all these steps are completed, you're all set. Confirm that the process is complete by checking the Wallet app, where your newly added driver's license should now appear, and there you have it. You've successfully added your driver's license to your Apple Wallet, making it much more convenient and secure to carry around. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos for more tech tips and tricks.